ऑप्शन के बाहर एक अच्छी शुरुआत।
शॉट तो अच्छा है, कवर के बगल से करारा ये प्रहार है। 4 रन, पहली बाउंड्री इस मुकाबले की।
ये बढ़िया लेंथ पिक किया है और गेंद चलती चली जाएगी 6 रनों के लिए। पहले 6 रन।
शॉर्ट आर्म बॉल, बेहतरीन 6 रन।
ये बढ़िया स्ट्रोक है, आगे निकले लेकिन फील्ड पोजीशंस पता थी और उसके बीच से
ये शॉट खूबसूरत है, डाउन द ग्राउंड, सामने की तरफ। 4 रन।
ऐसा लगा जैसे टूट पड़े। पावर प्ले ओवर्स में आउटफील्ड बहुत तेज है इस मैदान में, फील्डर पीछा करते हुए, लेकिन नहीं रोक पाएंगे 4 रनों से। नवम के नाम एक और बाउंड्री। एरियल स्ट्रोक खेलने के लिए गए हैं, कोई फील्डर तैनात नहीं, मिल जाएंगे 4 रन अमित यादव को। शराब है गेंदबाजी में, पहली गेंद से दिशा दिखाई है, खराब गेंद को बिल्कुल सही नसीहत।
Swings and gets it over the 30-yard circle and to a boundary as well. Amit Yadav gets the 50 for the team. That's gone straight. Powerfully hit as well. Goes the distance. Amit Yadav is on song. Maximum for him.
और इसे कहते हैं कि जब तक तोड़ेंगे नहीं तब तक छोड़ेंगे नहीं।
Anytime. He's gone on the onside and that goes the distance as well. This is handsomely hit. 50 for him as well. In style, brought up by Amit Yadav. Take a bow, young man. Yeah, that's intelligent. And Misfield adding who's here to this. Gets another boundary. Lucky one though. Oh, that is swatted away as well and gets another boundary. 23 runs coming off this over.
ये यहां से एक नई शुरुआत कीजिए। ये कुछ अलग नजर आया। LHS is equal to RHS.
On inside out. And gets the maximum as well. What a shot that is. Amit Yadav, take a bow. Brilliant that. Oh, cleaned him up. Just what was needed. That's the sound of timber. Amit Yadav misses one. No ball as well. And through the covers should be a boundary. No doubt about that. This is rubbing salt to open wounds. That's hit away on the onside. Takes the aerial route. Gets the boundary, 1 bounce.
Final ball of the over. Cleans up. Bagra has the last love, and this time he got Amit Kumar in the final ball. That was, look at that, perfectly yoked, and no chance for him. Amit Kumar gone for 3. The projected right now is showing 154. This time, Bagra cleans up, and the leg stump goes for a walk. 9. Look at that, bang the off stump. This time the ball is in the air. Fielder interested. Will be taken safely. Sunil Yadav. This was the wicket chance and taken excellently by the fielder. Final ball. This time trying for the big shot. It's in the air and crosses the boundary rope. So that will be the end with the maximum. Making 20 overs, 71 of 44 from Amit Yadav, 38 from Navam Kama, 12 from Navam Natung, and 20 overs, 150 for Dargi Bagra in 4 overs, 16 he conceded. Tana got 1 and 1 for Chandan Singh, and rest gone wicketless.
Oh, has to re-bowl this. Losing control happens with the newer bowlers coming in and trying to bowl much better, but hit away on the onside, takes the aerial route and deposits beyond the boundary line. That's a handsome hit. Short ball pulled away and that is deposited beyond the boundary. And handsomely hit as well by
10 नंबर की जर्सी में खेल रहे हैं टेचिनेरी और 10 में से 10 नंबर मिलेंगे स्ट्रोक के लिए.
as Bolwell. Full toss this time and put away nicely as well. Handsome shot that from Techineri. Splits the gap, gets a boundary. Shot ball again, pulled away nicely. Will get another boundary here. He's dealing in boundaries. He's in a hurry.
देखिए ये तो रुकने वाले हैं नहीं.
Full toss again. Can't get away this time. Oh, my goodness me. Couldn't stop that one. And another boundary. Loosener to start with. Gets away with it. Could have been a wide. And then overthrows as well. What are they doing? Again a full toss. Nicely hit away. That's a gorgeous looking shot. And this time off the bat of Geda.
Yeah, Sakesh Bhargava is a new bowler. Cross ball, Geda connects well onto the gap. It starts off the over for the boundary.
ये एक शॉर्ट कनेक्शन बेटर है. उस और फील्डर है नहीं तो फिर जाइए उठा के लाइए. चौका यहाँ पर भी. ये हवा में गेंद पीछे फील्डर दो मगर दोनों के बीच से गैप में गई है और चौका देकर गई है और चौकाया है उन दो फील्डरों को.
Leg spinner Amit Kumar, very first ball, hits it straight to the fielder, and that will be the first breakthrough. Techineri.
अमित कुमार आए, साथ में विकेट की बहार लाए. जिस विकेट की थी तलाश वो तमन्ना अब हुई है.
वो किस तरीके का प्रदर्शन करते हैं. एरियल स्ट्रोक खेला है, बाजुओं की ताकत दिखाई. इंतजार अंपायर के फैसले का. मिलेंगे 4. एक बार फिर से गेंदबाजी पे. नहीं, ये खराब गेंद है. लेग स्टंप के बाहर डाली हुई गेंद से दिशा दिखाई रुपेश मिश्रा ने और मिल जाएंगे 4 रन. बीच के जो पहाड़ है ना, फिलहाल ये अच्छा स्ट्रोक है. फुल टॉस गेंद मिली थी, गैप में खेला, कवर्स की दिशा में कोई फील्डर नहीं था, जिसके चलते 4 रन. क्रीज पे जाता है, मैच जिताने के इंटेंट से ही जाता है. और ये कुछ अलग किया है. वो कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट फील्डर का जो प्रयास था वो उनको भी समझ नहीं आया और मिल गए 4 रन. निराश होंगे अमित.
Playing for the big shot, field underneath, and will be gone for a maximum. What a way to bring up his 50 of this tournament. Never easy in the run chase, and this player, what a way to bring up that. And not be in the favor of the wicket, it has done really well. This time picked up well, field underneath, and will be taken. Or it touched the boundary rope. Let's see, waiting for the umpire's signal. Fielder claiming it as a wicket. And the umpire has asked it. Let's see what has happened there. It was in the air for a while. Fielder was underneath and has taken. And he has touched the rope there.
पैर जमीन पे था, बाउंड्री रोप थोड़ी सी पीछे थी, इसलिए आउट करार दिए गए. गेंद हवा में तो है, नीचे है फील्डर. आखिरी समय पे ये
He has been sent up the order. He plays it in the air, gone over the fielder, and will be going on the boundary line. That has been the boundary.
बिल्कुल सामने ही नजर आए. अंपायर को कोई दिक्कत परेशानी होगी नहीं. आसान सा फैसला और लिंगडम कामते की पारी हुई समाप्त.
Brilliant delivery follows the batter, and then Plum. And the umpire takes no time. This time Radhe connects it and will found the fielder. Amit Kumar got the 2nd wicket and 4th wicket down for Para Panthers. It was Fords trying for the big shot, not being the best of the connection. Easy catch for the fielder. He is the man. Connect one. And now I believe he is cleaned up. He is cleaned up finally after 34 balls. Trying for the big shot, the ball came in nicely and hits the stumps.
ये बढ़िया टाइम किया है और गेंद चली गई है 6 रनों के लिए। रुक जाइए, कहीं जाइए मत, मैच अभी बाकी
Not
है।
over yet. Chandan Singh has different plan. Has long handles there and smacks it out of the park.
कुछ अलग करने का प्रयास, इंतजार रहेगा फैसले का, 4 या 6।
Let's look at that again. Chandan Singh tried it and it's gone over. Rest on the luck. This time it's in the air and will be racing away to the boundary ropes. 12 needed in 1.
चलिए, गेंद तो सीधी निकल गई है। चौके के साथ इस मुकाबले की समाप्ति होगी, लेकिन मुकाबला जाएगा तवांग टाइटंस के खाते में।
That's the batting card. Gedak Ete got 55 of 46, 31 from Teki Nure.